There are multiple exhibitions of this sort, but CMPL especially provides us the best of buyers who visit. So it's a very important platform for us as contract manufacturers to reach out to such buyers. We have two solutions, not one. One is our Gel Pocket Air Fresheners. We are the largest in the category in India today. We are doing for almost 49 brands. And the 10-gram Gel Pocket Air Freshener and a 5-gram Gel Pocket Air Fresheners is our expertise. And also this year we've started a dancing sparkling gel for car dashboard gel. So we filed a patent for it, and this is the first time in India and exclusive product. Reliable, trust, innovation, patents, because now we've come into patents, and complete automation. Very, very innovative, I would say.